Hello everybody, today we're starting stretching with me. So let's start, it's home stretching. I will take now microphone and we're starting. So, good work, we take the position of the leg, we stay, and now I take more hands behind me and slowly go down. So working, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the last one 5. Stay in this position. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. So we go here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. And now I will slowly go here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and change. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. So let's sit on the right leg and open our hips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And let's change. Open our hips, keep our hands and our legs, and open. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. And now we're starting stretching our back. So I will take this position and take our legs here, but we now starting a little bit stretching our back. So I will keep our hands together on the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. And now take our legs up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. And now I will slowly get this position. Take my hand on my back and starting stretching the same. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. Slowly take the upper leg and pushing. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. And try do the same, but with strong leg. Slowly stretch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. Slowly take together. Take our body down. Slowly up. Take the legs together and slowly go down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So thank you so much for watching this video. I wish that you like it and follow me. So bye bye.